What's going on, everyone? I'm back again today with another review. Today we are going to dive into what's inside the box of the Amaran 60DS. This is my new light. Obviously top quality stuff here. However, this is my new light for all the videos going forward. So I thought today we'll do a little bit of unboxing, see what you get inside, and then the next video we will dive into it and do a full review. So let's go ahead and break this open. I've been waiting to open this all day for y'all. Again, this is a real good camera here, guys. It's nice and compact. You can add the batteries, packs if you want, so you don't have to plug in anything. Really just cuts down on all the cords. One thing I like is it is a phone case. However, this is a travel case, okay? So it is a phone case. However, the handles are on top. Now this all pops open on the sides. Again, this is high quality stuff. This is not your cheap light. This is going for, as right now, $69.99 on Amazon. So right out the box, as you can see here, we'll just pull the light out. And look how tiny this light is, okay, guys? Now, this is top-notch light. This is top-notch quality. This is not your, cheap light. This brand has obviously been around for years. And I just love it how this form factor is just nice and small. So, obviously, you get the light in the box here. Go ahead and get this back in. You do get your charging. And this actually slides right on the side of the light. So you can put 2 of your battery banks, like I was saying. It's nice that they include this. However, you do have to buy those batteries. But you can do that, or you can use the supplied actual battery, where you plug into the wall, the power cable in the box. So you have your power cable as well. You have a long power line, as you can see. So even if you don't want to spend the money on the batteries as of right now, the good part is you don't have to buy this in the future. It comes in the pack, which is awesome. And it comes with these super long cables for the power, which is nice. However, believe me when I say it, I already bought the batteries. They are on the way. You can get rid of all these cables, okay? When we're filming, there's a lot of cables already. Let's just cut down on this stuff. So that, of course, you have a real nice connector here, okay? Again, this is high quality stuff. Nothing here is plastic. This is all machine grade aluminum, but very good stuff here. And then it looks like you have some type, here you go, your diffusion. Okay, so it actually comes with pretty nice. Again, this is my first time buying a higher end light. I usually buy the cheaper ones on Amazon. However, nothing wrong with them, but this is, next step up type stuff. You do have your shade, as well as it actually comes with a mini fabric diffuser to go over this tiny shade. So pretty cute. Again, I have a full box already, so I won't need this. However, if you don't have a box, or you don't, haven't purchased one yet, the good thing about it is you get a diffuser in the box, okay? So you don't have to buy this stuff. Literally everything comes in the box. You get what you pay for, okay, guys? So that's it. Again, it's real nice. The case is going to be great, especially if you're traveling. You don't have to worry about anything getting damaged. Again, this is high quality stuff here, guys. Stay tuned for the next video. It will be my full in-depth review of this camera.